You might think that this is just about the last place that a bird or any other animal would choose to sleep. This is an oil refinery on the banks of the Amazon River in central Brazil. Just across the water, there's lovely virgin rainforest. Yet here, well, just look and listen.
A fine mist of acrid droplets stings your eyes. The noise hurts your ears. Yet promptly at 5 minutes past 6 o'clock every evening, there is an invasion. Purple martins. Stay still and they will settle within inches of you. Why they come here in such numbers is a mystery. It can hardly be that they seek warmth in this muggy tropical atmosphere of central Brazil. They don't feed here. Perhaps it's because there are fewer hawks around to harry them than in the forest. But whatever the reason, come they do. In March, however, many of them will migrate north to the United States, and there they take up residence in very different homes.
Okay. Smells great.
A small lakeside town in Pennsylvania. This luxury tower block has accommodation for over 40 adults and 200 youngsters. Each apartment has all modern conveniences. It can be wound down regularly by the local people, and the shelf brought out to make sure that the young are fit and don't need any help with their housekeeping. In fact, these apartments are so luxurious that these days purple martins don't nest in natural sites anymore. The purple martin has become totally dependent upon human beings. It's said that the tradition was started by the people native to this part of North America, Choctaw and Chickasaw Indians, who were glad to see the birds when they arrived each spring and hung out gourds to encourage them to nest around their settlements. Today, over 1 million people in the United States offer hospitality to purple martins in this way.
Come on, what's your name?
It seems that those of us who live in towns and cities feel increasingly cut off from the natural world that lies beyond our buildings, and so we treasure any contact we can find with wild creatures. Certainly, an affection for birds is shared by all kinds and conditions of people all over the world.